Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing about some special feature, that is how to convert numerical data into a textual format. I'm gonna show you now. Okay. For example, whenever our data, if it is aligned towards the right, in the sense it is considered as a number. Whenever our data aligned towards the left, it would be considered as a uh, text data. Okay, so now here my data is in the numerical format. Now I want to convert it into a textual format. So in the sense, what we can do is the one way to do it is just select the range of the data, and you can just right click it and format cells. Here you will have an option of text. Select that and click OK, and automatically the data that you have selected would be inclined towards the left. In the sense, it would be considered as a textual data. So this is a way, and there is also another way to do it. For example, see here, this cell, that is A5, here it is considered as a number. Why? Because it is inclined towards the right. But if you want to convert it as a textual data, then what you can do is you just edit it and add an apostrophe before that and press enter, and automatically that would be converted as a textual data. So this is a way, and we can also perform in another way. For example, here select an empty cell, copy it, and then select the range of your data, right click it, and go to this paste special, add, click OK. See here, previously the data was inclined towards the left. In the sense, uh, those were considered as the textual data. Now it has become number. Why? Because just now we have applied our changes. So that's a way, and we can also separate. For example, see here, just select this data and go here in the drop down of general category. Here you'll be finding an option called maybe text. Yeah, here. If you just tap it, then automatically your data would be converted as a textual data. And we can also perform something like, for example, you'll be seeing some kind of data wherein you'll be finding both the formats, either it is textual as well as some numerical format in a single cell, and you want to separate it out. So how to do that? For example, you can perform equal to, you can type value. Here value function does the job. Here you just need to select the cell, and you need to provide how many characters do you want to separate. Actually, I only want to extract two characters, so I'm passing two and press enter. Okay, sorry, I have got confused. I think maybe we don't need to pass, we just need to select the cell, and if you just press enter, equal to value. So we need to select this, and click OK. What you can do is you just need to enter right function here before that, and you need to select the cell, and you need to enter the number of characters that you want to extract. For example, 99 is two characters, so I'm entering two, and you just need to close the bracket. Here before the right function, you need to add something called value here. Okay, after that, add braces on both sides. If you just click enter, then automatically the number has been extracted. Okay, whenever textual and numerical data, if it is combined in a single cell, then in this way you can easily extract the data that is numerical data that you want. And we can also perform in some way like value. For example, I'm entering the data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now I want to copy it value. I'm just entering the value function here, and I want to enter the cell. If I press enter, automatically it has been copied here. See here. So likewise, you can always you can always apply the same kind of criteria with this particular function, that is value. Okay. And for example, let's try value for this particular thing. Value of this thing. Press enter. See here. See, earlier it was in a textual format data. Why? Because it has been aligned towards the left. But when I use this formula, that is value function, now this entire data has been converted into a numerical data. Why? Because it is aligned towards the right side. Okay, in this way you can always play with this function. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Jai Hind.